chicken nkwobi for Hubby. So let's do that. Now let's make chicken nkwobi. If there is anything like that. This is what Hubby is craving, so I'm gonna make it for him now. Wait, yes. Is that oil? No. Let me bring it closer. Oh, this is oil again. Oil and potage to cover it. See? We were snake. Second snake. Crayfish. Onion. And some tobacco. Now mix. Now add pepper to your taste. And mix. Now let's add the cooked chicken. This chicken is really soft, hard chicken. Mix. Combine. Warm it to get hot. Now it's warm enough. I'm going to serve the kids, and Hubby is coming. This is the spinach sauce. Time to serve you people. Wow. Thank you, Mom. Alia. Thank you, Ma.
Wow.
It's ready.
Wow.
It's ready. How is it? Good. Well cooked.
Perfect. Good match. Well played. This is a well played game. Well played. Well played.